Hello friends, in this video we are going to get all the cart items in Magento 2. So let's sign into the account. I am just trying to sign in with this account. Oh, this is wrong password. Now it's logged in. What the cart items we have? We have two cart items, but both are different. Okay. So how we can fetch this? Let's go to the postman. Which API we have already inbuilt. Layout app code order profit index order index storage. So there is the get all items. The login. Let's log in first and go to the get all items request and see undefined get currency is not defined. Okay, line number 46. Line number 46. Make this dollar. Undefined export ID. Undefined export ID. Asking for the quote ID, right? Get quote ID. Let's check the quote ID. So let me add some products in the cart and check what is the quote ID. This is what is the quote ID? That is 6, I guess. Let's add this 6 quote ID. Quote ID equal to 6. So we have the items that is I already added in the code, that is this one, and this is how we're getting the. If I put the items 2, product 2, quantity 1, okay, so what it returns, because the quantity is not available, means the product is out of stock getting now. Let's change it. Very catalog, products, content, catalog, products. This has stock is out of stock. Let me make it in stock. If I'm going to add this, it will have this quantity. I'm going to get this, fetch this quantity. It will return the items, but here it returns only one item. And what about the this? How many items we have? We have two items with the quantity one. So what is the cart? Let's check which cart is working on that, because cart ID I don't know. Cart ID, cart ID. I make it one because there's only one. Let's make two, nothing, three, no null, four, we have card ID this, okay, five, we have two items. Maybe this is because quantity is three and the quantity is six. So maybe this is on the behalf of the quote ID, we can retrieve the cart items of that. So this is the code. So let's begin, let's understand the code. So this is the normal object manager and all. Okay, I'm just getting the quote ID and get the quote factory, load the data by quote ID. Okay, get quote all visible items. So by getting all the visible items, we are check the customer session and add the product if we have. Okay, then we are making all these cart visible items, mapping all the price, image and all, symbol, grand total items symbol, and this is how we can get all the items in the cart by the code ID. So you can get these items from the code, and yeah, that's it. So if you so this is how we can get all the items in the cart via code ID. So hope you will like this video. Have a great day.